Watching your beauty fade with age can be quite disheartening. It has a serious impact on your confidence and health. Feeling young has a lot to do with looking young, and we all know the positive energy of youthfulness. Hence, it becomes very essential to regularly take care of your skin by using the Derma Essentia Anti-Aging Cream.
Let us show you how to use this product. After your face is fresh and clean, apply a pea-sized amount of cream onto your fingertip. Then tap it onto your face and gently massage the cream in an upward circular direction. After you're done, wait for a minute or two, allowing the cream to soak into your skin.
This premium anti-aging cream rejuvenates your skin, promoting collagen synthesis that leaves your skin radiant and young looking.